What is up, guys? I am back with another YouTube video, and this is going to be a very big burp YouTube video. I don't really know, but this is root beer because this is all I could find, so let's get on. Okay, I did it. Oh, that was hard. Okay, so that's our video today. So, see you.